Building muscle is a goal many strive for, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer. But with so many products claiming to give you an edge, how do you know what works and what's just hype? Today, we're diving into the world of supplements and their role in muscle building. We'll break down some of the most popular supplements like whey protein, creatine, BCAA, and pre-workouts to see what really helps and what you should be cautious about. 1. Clarifying the role of supplements. First off, it's important to clarify one thing. Supplements aren't magic pills. They should always be seen as an addition to, not a replacement for, a solid diet and training plan. No supplement will replace consistent hard work in the gym or a well-balanced meal plan. Your body needs the right fuel to grow muscle, and that starts with your nutrition and exercise. Supplements simply help fill the gaps, making sure you're getting everything you need to maximize your efforts. 2. Popular supplements and their benefits. Now, let's talk about some of the most common supplements and what they actually do. 1. Whey protein. Whey protein is probably the most well-known supplement when it comes to muscle building. It's packed with essential amino acids and is easily absorbed by the body. After a tough workout, your muscles need protein to repair and grow, and that's where whey comes in. Whey protein is convenient, quick to digest, and helps support muscle recovery. But remember, it's not the only source of protein out there. You can still get plenty of protein from whole foods like chicken, fish, and beans. 2. Creatine. Creatine is another supplement that's backed by science. It helps increase energy during short bursts of intense activity, like weightlifting or sprinting, by replenishing your muscle stores of ATP, the energy currency of the body. Creatine can improve strength and endurance, which in turn can help you push yourself harder in the gym, leading to more muscle growth over time. The catch: some people may experience water retention or slight weight gain when using creatine. 3. BCAA. Branched-chain amino acids, or BCAA, are often marketed as a must-have for muscle recovery. These amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, are essential for protein synthesis, the process by which muscles repair and grow after exercise. BCAA can help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery, especially during intense training sessions. But keep in mind, if you're already consuming a good amount of protein from food or whey, BCAA may not be necessary, as you're already getting those amino acids. 4. Pre-workout supplements. Pre-workouts are designed to boost energy, focus, and endurance before a workout. They typically contain a mix of ingredients like caffeine, beta-alanine, and nitric oxide boosters. Pre-workouts can give you that extra kick to power through a tough session, but they aren't for everyone. If you're sensitive to caffeine or other stimulants, they can lead to jitters or an energy crash later on. 3. Supplements as part of the bigger picture. So, what's the takeaway? Supplements can play a role in supporting your muscle building journey, but they should complement, not replace, a proper diet and training routine. Make sure you're fueling your body with the right nutrients, training consistently, and getting enough rest. Only then will supplements like whey, creatine truly help you achieve your goals. Remember, there's no shortcut to building muscle, just hard work and smart choices. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe. If you have any question, write it in comments.